Wow. Y'all, it is raining so hard. It's early morning. I came out to let the animals out. Don't judge. I know I look like something the cats drug up, but I had to get out of bed to come and do these animals earlier than normal. Stop that. I didn't want to let them out because it's storming so bad. But they have to be let out because if they're cooped up too long, especially my goats, well, the roosters too, then they end up fighting a lot and somebody ends up getting hurt or something gets destroyed. In the case of the goats, it's something in the goat house that gets destroyed. And there was a little break in the weather and I ran out then, but the bottom fell out as soon as I got halfway out here to the goat house. It has rained for days now, almost the past week, and we are flooded in our area. It's bad for me, but we are better off than some of our neighbors are. And you won't believe it. Last night at 12:25, we got a tornado warning on our phones. I had not gone to bed yet. My husband had. And I checked the warning and then turned the TV on real quick. And lo and behold, the tornado was over our house. It never touched down. It did a straight line through our town. And I watched it and followed it. It stayed off the ground, but right about the time that the warning came in, it was right overhead. It was a wild night. We're fine. Everything is fine. But now I'm going to try to drudge through some of this water to let these animals out. And I'm going to try to show, if I can with my camera and the rain and an umbrella in my hand, some of the flooding that's going on. No gardening can take place. No anything can take place. The only thing that's taking place is the weeds are growing. You can be sure of that. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm going to open the door and let you out. Yes, I am. Let me get my umbrella open. Even though the goats can't or won't go outside, they still want that door open. It's going to be a while before this place drains. Oh, this is the side of my garden. Everything in the garden is raised up, thankfully. So I don't think the plants are going to drown. But everything that's in ground is underwater. This is a skinny ditch. I cross over this ditch every day. Anyways, I hate letting the animals out because my chickens are not smart enough to stay out. They stand out in this rain. They have shelter to go under, but they rarely do, and it upsets me to see them stand out getting soaked and wet in the rain. Their yards are soaked, but I have to let them out. Let me go do that. Well, I got all my animals let out. But boy, they're in a mud pit. They are in a really bad mud pit. This water is about to breach the bank and come into the drive. Man. I'm going to take a walk over to my front garden. That place always floods. Just to check it out and see what can break my heart. It has been just a terrible few days. Yep, I can see the water standing everywhere. I'm not even going to bother to open the greenhouse. There's water right up to the door. Oh, my pond filled up. I had drained that down. That's a lot of water. Like that pond is about to overflow, and I had drained it down empty. That's the rain we've gotten. Look at the water on the ground. My tomatoes and potatoes and okra out there are probably loving all of this water, but their boxes drain really good, so it's not standing water, they're just staying wet, which it was so dry before. We honestly did need the rain. We just didn't need this much at one time. Really, I wanted to... Come on, I'm not walking through that. I discovered a hole in my boot when I was out at the chicken yard. Well, I can walk on the side here. Even the ant piles are drowning. I wanted to come on here and speak about where I have been, not making videos, not in the garden. Honestly, I haven't even been cooking. We've had sandwiches. I did make some homemade pizza Sunday, but there has been nothing of any interest to do a video about. Just kind of staying hunkered down while all these rain events pass. But I thought I would grab the camera since I had to be out here anyways and report on that tornado and all this rain. Listen, I hope that y'all are dry wherever you are. This is pretty miserable. I know it's nothing compared to what many other people go through. And it's just that, you know, no matter who it is, where it is, storms like this can be a hardship sometimes. This is a hardship on me because I'm not physically equipped to get out and mess in this. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to let you go. Let's see if this stuff dries up anytime soon. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.